Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into what could be one of the most compelling electric sports sedans of the year, the 2025 BMW i4 eDrive 40. We've spent weeks gathering information, checking out official specs, poring over insider reports, and scouting spy shots to bring you every angle of this eagerly anticipated EV. Whether you're a die-hard BMW enthusiast, a fan of electric performance cars, or simply curious about where automotive technology is headed, stick around, because this is going to be a massive overview, and no, we're not splitting it into subheadings. Let's jump right in. From the moment you glimpse the 2025 BMW i4 eDrive 40, you know this car means business. BMW's designers have managed to refine the silhouette, striking a balance between aerodynamic efficiency and that unmistakable kidney grille face. Gone is the overtly massive grille of past electric BMWs, in its place sits a flush, semi-closed surface outlined by illuminated accents. Around the sides, sculpted character lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, accentuating the car's low stance without looking overstyled. The roofline gently slopes into a hatchback-style trunk lid, giving the sedan a coupe-like profile and ensuring that drag coefficient dips below 0.25. Up front, laser headlights with signature U-shaped daytime running lights cut into the bodywork with surgical precision, while the rear boasts L-shaped full LED tail lamps that wrap around the flanks. Step back and you see 19-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels as standard, and optional 20 or 21-inch turbine-style wheels if you really want to make a statement. Slide inside, and BMW's attention to detail becomes even more apparent. The moment you close the doors, the cabin feels cocooned in premium materials. Raised cloth door panels, available leather or vegan-friendly Dinamica surfaces, all stitched with contrasting thread. Little touches like a leather-wrapped dash bar and brushed aluminum trim pieces give the i4 eDrive 40 a uniquely upscale vibe. Front seats are supportive and fully adjustable with optional heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. Rear passengers enjoy a bench with adequate knee room, the sloping roof doesn't compromise comfort too badly, and a panoramic glass sunroof floods the cabin with light. Storage is surprisingly generous thanks to the hatchback layout. You're looking at roughly 20 cubic feet behind the rear seats, plus a small frunk up front if you need an extra tote or two. Ambient lighting with 15 color choices, multi-zone climate control, and a sporty electric shifter on the center tunnel round out an interior that feels more bespoke than mass market. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the rear deck, sits a single electric motor powering the rear wheels, good for about 335 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque in this eDrive 40 variant. BMW engineers have fine-tuned the motor, inverter, and gearbox so that throttle response is instant, yet smooth.